Okay, for the last couple of months, everything I got that had Amazon either in the subject or in the description anywhere, it would automatically go to this archive folder. It would not show up in my new, it would automatically be filtered and go to my archive folder. I'm going to click on this folder and just let you see what I'm talking about. If you can see right here, once I click on it, you're going to notice everything in there has Amazon written on it. You see even where it's from and in the subject, anything that says Amazon, it automatically filters here. So I'm going to show you how to correct that. You can go anywhere here. Just go up here to the right and click on this. And you want to go down to where you see settings, mail settings. So once you click on your mail settings, click on this filter right here. And you notice that I got two filters on this. Somebody must hack my account. I never put the filters on there. I didn't even know how to put filters on there. So I decided to take some time and figure this out, why my Amazon is going to this filtered account. So let's click on the edit. You see right here where it says filter. It says anything that has Amazon to go to the recent deleted. And here's another one said anything with Amazon to go to the archives. So what it's been doing, it was either going to the recently deleted or archive. But I noticed that most of them were going to the archive. So to get rid of that, just hit on the X and delete them. So that'll clear that out. So next time you get a new email from, or when I get a new email from Amazon, it will show up in my new folder, not the archives. So I'm going to show you how this works also in your Gmail account. And it's not similar, but it's pretty much similar. I'm going to show you. But first, what you want to do is go up here to the far right. And we're going to go over here to the far right. You're going to see that little wheel over there. You go down to see all settings. And you want to go down here, right here to where it says filter. You click on that. And that's where your filter's at. So let's create a new filter. Just click on create. You can go from, like if you want it from a certain person, you can just start typing their email or to, or anything that has a subject, but we're going to type Amazon right here. So once I typed Amazon, and you don't have to put nothing else, just create the filter. And you can tell it what you want it to do. I'm going to say I want to send mine to an archive. So once I click it, I hit create. So anything that comes from Amazon or has Amazon in the description or subject, it's going to go to the archive. So to get rid of that, the only thing you need to do is go over here to the right and hit delete. And that's it. So that's how you can do your filters in your AOL and Gmail accounts. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.